Google Wi-Fi is a scalable flexible mesh Wi-Fi system that blankets your home in reliable coverage and keeps buffering at bay. One Google Wi-Fi point replaces your router and additional points expand your network to keep the connection fast in every room. Google Wi-Fi gives you whole home coverage. One pack covers up to 1,500 square feet and 3-pack covers up to 4,500 square feet. Points work together to create a mesh network for more coverage. Intelligently works behind the scenes to make sure your Wi-Fi remains fast so you can stream with speed. Simple setup in a few steps. Use the Google Home app to create your network and get online in minutes. Parental controls let you manage screen time, restrict certain kinds of adult content, and pause Wi-Fi to specific devices on your mesh network whenever you want. Easy-to-control home Wi-Fi system lets you prioritize devices, check your network speeds, set up a guest network, and more. Works with all Google Wi-Fi points and can be added to any existing Nest Wi-Fi system. Just add more points if you need more coverage. Sustainably designed. 49% of the plastic part weight is made with recycled material. 2020 model. Please refer to the product description section below for all applicable legal disclaimers denoted by the bracketed numbers in the preceding bullet points. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic streaming strength. I did a bit of research before buying and felt this would save me from having to massively upgrade my internet speed, which is currently around 200 Mbps. Once I released my Verizon Fios IP, connecting the Google Mesh system was a breeze and took about 5 to 10 minutes. Just remember to download the Google Home app on your phone before you release the IP and it walks you through all the steps easily. We've been up and running for 2 days and love it so far. Our streaming Roku devices are much sharper and aren't buffering in the slightest. We are now able to get full strength in the house everywhere, about 3,000 square feet spread among 2 floors, and we get a really decent signal at our backyard firepit now. Due to storms, we've lost power twice since we set up the mesh system and the Wi-Fi restarts so fast we barely notice it was down. I was scared about the investment, but if you are permanently teleworking, this will get paid off in about 4 months based on the internet speed upgrade costs in our area.